Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Eric Andre Show!
Hey, you guys are watching Bird Hunt, the worst bird on television. Come talk to me, man. Bird up.
Are you looking at this?
They won't even see me. Bird up. What do you think about me?
Oh, you boner.
Yeah, they won't even see me.
All right, now talk to the bird like that.
Yeah, boy.
Yaboo, 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 bay.
You're watching Bird Up! What's he got that I don't got, boo? He's got a little dick and shit. I got a big ass. What's Bird Up?
I ain't gonna bird up. Bird up. I'm registered for the bird.
Bird Up. Hey, young fool, you playing this thing wrong. Google, show me this guy's balls, please.
Scan finished.
I need Jesus and a can of ginger ale. Come on. Bird Up.
And now, here's a word from our sponsor.
I've never been much of a mobile gamer, but forget everything you think you know about mobile games, because Raid Shadow Legends is one of the most ambitious parties.
Bird Up.
Welcome to Cookie TV. Eat when I'm hungry. Hey man, what the?
Let me try one.
No, it's not a cookie, it's a lifestyle.
And we're back with Bird Up. Bird Up. Time to get incepted. Bird Up. It's the halfway point of the show!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Eric Andre Show!
Time for some red.
Skip it up and that up. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Eric Andre Show!
LeBron James, LeBron James.
Amber turn.
News in the news, huh?
Amber turn.
It's in the news.
Amber turn.
Come on, start the show, man.
Dude, just play another episode.
All right.
Well, as soon as I start, we cut to Bird Up. Every time. Okay.
Chris up.
Hey, bird up. It's time for Snail Down. The best television show on. 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 on television. Snail down.
Butter.
It's all about snail down. I'm out here in Brooklyn.
So did you hear about that turd, you stupid shit? Come on! Come on! Come on!
I make it groove, make it move, make a move, make it groove, make it hoot it, make it who, make it hoot it move. I make it groove, make it move, make a move, make it hoot it, make it who, make it hoot it.
Absolutely, absolutely.